Hello everyone, if Wavewinds Meet is not launching on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix Wavewinds Meet not launching or crashing on your computer easily. First off, you're going to open up your games platform, you're going to go into Wavewinds Meet, you're going to right click on it, go into properties, and here you need to write dash dx11 and check if the game works then. If it doesn't, then you can write dx12 here and check then if the game works. And also you can disable the Steam overlay, and if you have any other overlay applications running like MSI Afterburner or Discord, make sure to turn those softwares off or turn their overlays off. And after that, you're going to go into Wavewinds Meets Games files. So I don't have the game right now, so I'm going to use PUBG as an example. And right click on Wavewinds Meet here, go into properties, go into compatibility, and here you need to make sure that disable full screen optimization is turned on, and also run this program as an administrator is turned on. So turn both of those settings on, click OK here, and then you can try and play the game, and you'll see that you will not get those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.